Hi everybody, my name is Jonathan, owner at Trendy Trading. Thank you so much for taking the short time to watch this video. Make sure you get your journals ready. You're going to want to put down this information. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the future. Happy trading. Hi everybody, this is Jonathan from Trendy Trading. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes to watch this video. Before we do that, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel here. All right. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. This video is important as it is a follow-up from our last video on how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Today, I'm going to show you how these Fibonacci levels help understand momentum. So first, let's go over the same examples I gave you last time. We are identifying this trend here. Let's go ahead and grab our retracement tool. We're going to place the Fibonacci's here into the pivot high. We're not using this candle. Please understand this is a down movement, whereas we are measuring the up movement, okay? So these are the levels I want you to understand. Basically, between the 0, so the top, to the 0.382, this trend is still bullish. Notice that when we place them here, it helps identify a few things. Within this 0.382 level, we are and do have a gap fill here that has not been met. And as long as price is holding this level, I expect trend to be bullish. That's how I look at momentum. So again, as long as prices are holding 0.236 or the 0.382, it is bullish for me. If for some reason we start to break down under 0.382, expect chop between here and the 618. So that includes the 50 and the 618. To the downside, if the 618 breaks, you have a high probability for price to move into the 0.887. Now, let's go ahead and turn these around. We are going to place now at the high and then down to the low. And what we do is, let's just reverse what I just told you, okay? So, watch this. So in this diagram, the trend is moving down. We are making lower highs and lower low pivots, okay? So this trend right here. And so as long as price stays under the 0.382, okay, this is and considered still bearish. Okay, and again, we can use this on any time frame. You could identify this range on a 5-minute chart. You can identify it on a 30-minute chart, a monthly chart, and so forth. I am showing you on a daily chart, okay? Now, if price were to move up towards and over the 0.382 into the 618, this is considered chop. If you go back and study this, you'll note that basically this is like a tug of war between bears and bulls. This is where you will find whoever has the most money will end up winning. But listen up, this is not where you want to be a convicted trader, as I would expect sideways action. This is actually where I turn down my allocation, or I look to stay out of the market, if you will. Once moving over the 618, what this is telling me is the trend is broken. Okay, this trend that I'm identifying, which is down. So price moves over the 618, the trend is now broken, and we are now back in the uptrend. Okay, if the 618 breaks to the upside, again, high probability you will see the 0.887. So again, to reiterate and summarize what I just taught you is this. When the market is moving up, so from this point into this point, we stay bullish between 0.23 to 0.382. Once we break below 0.382, all the way to the 618, expect chop. If we break below the 618, high probability 0.88, 0.7 is hit. And then to the downside, just reverse that. Again, after this demonstration, I hope you're able to use this tool and remember those areas of high conviction. The biggest thing I would tell you out of this is once you get into that area of chop or sideways action, this is a place that you find most traders will lose money. I hope now that you have a better understanding how to use this tool to understand momentum. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I appreciate you. Visit trendytrading.co. You can get a 7-day trial for just $5. You get to watch me trade live. You get to see my real live brokerage alerts that are sent out in milliseconds for proof of concept. We can't wait to trade with you. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you soon.